I'm Serena Williams. You watch me live on TV.
And I'm that voice from movies you watch on demand. DirecTV Stream brought us together to save the world.
Maybe not save the world, but DirecTV Stream does bring your live and on-demand favorites together.
Your favorites together.
I just said that.
She just said that.
Introducing best of live TV and on-demand with no end. Get your TV together. DirecTV.com.
Requires a beat embedding panel of books. 1030s by package and location restrictions apply.
Life is full of.
But what exactly does that mean? Does it mean you can worry less and live a little more? Does it mean you're not alone, even when things get kind of hard? Actually, yes. Yes, it does. You're in good hands with Allstate.
Allstate and affiliates offer products and services subject to
Astig ba, Lods? Astig ba?
Hey,
Commercial?
click or tap the banner to listen to Most Necessary, the official playlist of Generation Next. Brought to you by McDonald's.
Shout out, Idol. Dexter. Alias Tirador. Tirador sa Warzone. Tirador ng Warzone. Update pa lang. Anong bago? Warzone. Yung 5 naging 6 na ngayon. Alam ko, yung 5 naging 6 na eh. Shoutout po sa 1,000 viewers natin. Mamaya po paparaffle ako. Ang price po ay isang lapis. Stay tuned. Ponggol. Saan ka makakakuha niyan?
This isn't going to be a typical radio ad, because we're not living in typical times. If you're feeling uncertain about your career, you don't need another ad. You need straight talk and action. So here it comes. University of Phoenix is committing our career services to you for life. When you're actively pursuing a degree with us, or if you graduated long ago, you don't have to face an uncertain future. Career services for life from University of Phoenix. Tap the banner to learn more.
Welcome to a place where your entire life can be better protected. You're in good hands with Allstate.
Allstate and affiliates offer products and services subject to availability, terms, and conditions.
Get stylish, durable flooring for your home that will last a lifetime. And get it installed with help from Lowe's. Get Stainmaster Pet Protect carpet starting at just $199 per square foot. And Pergo Wet Protect laminate starting at $249 per square foot. Both with limited lifetime warranties. Order now, only at Lowe's. Home to any budget, home to any possibility. Install available in-store only and through independent contractors. See Lowe's.com for details and licensing. U.S. only. See Lowe's.com product detail page for more warranty information.
bagong weapon. Warzone.
That was a tough workout, man.
For real. After workouts like that, I'm usually sweating all day.
That's why I start my day with this. Gillette Invisible Solid Antiperspirant Deodorant.
Gillette makes deodorant?
Yeah. Gillette Invisible Solid keeps me feeling dry, even for 72 hours. The best part? It's gentle as water, so I don't worry about irritation.
I definitely need that.
It's legit. See you tomorrow?
I'll be here.
Gillette non-irritant. Even up to 70.
Is already full of surprises, but your tuition shouldn't be one of them. At University of Phoenix, you can count on fixed, affordable tuition from enrollment to the day you
Lapit
graduate
na
from your
yun.
program.
Tapos
Learn
din.
more at phoenix.edu.
Bago, nung bago. Tapos din. So,
Focus. Try to remember. You can stop all this now. Serious. We're running out of time. You've been off grid since Algeria. What were you doing in Verdansk?
thank you,
You
bro.
always find me the best
Thanks.
toys.
Thank you.
You can defuse it.
Stadium search team. We found more devices. Kilit.
Lalaro na ba kayo?
Signal Kusetis.
Update ko lang.
Of course. Seismic charge. Primary rig to blow secondaries in the borehole. Sophisticated. Very nasty. This has CIA written all over it.
I know who did this.
Tough son of a bitch won't talk. Let's start the real work.
I did what you cowards wouldn't. This is Operation in Verdansk.
Katatapos lang sa akin.
Get me out of this fucking chair.
First, we're gonna fix you. Trust me.
Kakapaglaro ng isang oras.
16, 23, 18, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Aba? Bomba? Nasabog?
Adler, we have unfinished business.
Sabog na naman? Nagagawa eh. Oh, bago mapa. Dang.
Got reports of multiple explosions in Verdansk. Sounds like our boy did a number on the place. Get him up. We need to go. Oh God, what have I done? Shake it off. It wasn't you. We're gonna finish what you started. We've got a job to do.
Still. Paano babaan FPS ng camera? Sa ano yun? Punta ka sa... Anong camera mo? Punta ka ng properties sa ano sa
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly.
Punta ka ng properties sa camera sa capture device mo. Tapos select mo yung resolution type ng custom. Tapos lagay mo sa FPS nandun. May settings doon sa drop down FPS.
Fuck yeah, we got a TTV on our team. We can't fucking lose now. About to pop off, bro. Where we drop?
Anywhere, man, anywhere.
Mark a drop point for your team.
Fuck, and we got a phase member? Bro, we definitely got
Move to the safe zone.
I'm down to go over there.
Okay. What? Is this a glitch? I can't pin it.
Are y'all going more left or right?
Let's go to. I'm going to the right.
Pretty sure there is a team following us.
I'll follow you guys. I'll follow you guys.
Bounty target is up. Let's get it done. All right, lads, let's get it done.
I have 2 shotguns.
You guys know my fucking controller is with Ash right now, so shit.
Just letting you know too, I'm playing with fucking McDonald's Wi-Fi right now.
Playing with what?
McDonald's Wi-Fi, bro.
So weird.
We got an F A R.
Chopper at bunker.
Mic check.
That's a sniper, I'll take it.
Mic check. Mic check.
What the fuck, man? You got people over there? Or...
I'm not pushing.
Assault rifle. Does anyone want this?
Why? Mic check.
Field upgrade here.
Mic check, mic check. Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Yeah.
Loud
There you
and
go.
clear.
Yeah.
Can you feel me? Oh, sorry, I thought we were having mic checks. My bad.
Drop some money right here.
I don't have any
The
money
train's
to drop.
unlooted, bro. Train is completely unlooted.
Watch out for people over there.
Found some cash here.
There's people on bunker and shots coming from over here.
Anyone want this? Moving out. Assault rifle.
Orange.
Found some cash
Oh,
here.
you dropped your money?
I dropped the money in
Alright,
buy
I'll drop
station.
the money. Alright.
Enemy UAV
One
overhead.
second, let me just loot this.
Oh shit.
Ayun!
May... May kasama ako, boss.
Kasama ka ba?
May kasama ako.
Magbubutay.
Ako si magbubutay.
Sorry.
Sige, lads.
Sige,
Thank you.
Turbo ka dyan eh.
Ayan.
Yun. Dito, boss. Deuce. Mic check. Hey Google, turn on AC.
Kung ano nag-value kay map.
Dama pinabitak da. Pinabitak da.
Ato eh... Stadium.
Asla pinabitak da. So mo lang. Emblems. Bago to.
Get yourselves a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Enemy soldier incoming.
God damn. Dapat 30 minutes nga kay ayam. At 35 minutes. Nadaw ako. Pag nga nag-update.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Glitch na dati panagpin ah. Bakit kita aja mapa ko ngagparang diyo ko. Stadium. Nga makita di pin na kanyam. Ito eh. Madiga road. Kita di mapa kawan. Oy, dati di baron niyo.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty.
Nasabog.
Clear to engage on target.
May butas na dito. Paglumangan.
Ayun. Tanga to.
Rita.
Oo. Nasabat ko.
Your teammate was sent to the Gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Designating target for airstrike.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy. Strike inbound.
Ay, tanginang yan. Wala nga nakita na ta.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. We got a proper fight here. While you wait, feel free to give these wankers a
Yung dating gulag na naman to ah.
find something to throw. Feel free to do that as well.
Nasa kanan, dulo, nasa dulong kanan.
The fight's on. Get ready to fight. You're next.
Sakali, gitna.
Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom.
Ay,
You're heading back to base.
may stun pa eh.
If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
May tao sa sasakyan. Bumaba. Birukan na ka. Yan eh, kanan. Meron pa.
Hindi naman diretso kung baril ko to. Kala ko automatic.
Try natin mag-invite. Sino ba? Uncle Dre. Update pa lang siguro.
Duda pa.
Ay, nagatag mo dyan Battle Pass. Itot ko manungayati ka, Battle Pass.
Yan mo.
Kita naman oh. Itot ko J points no nga points ko balik ko ito J ko. Ayun na.
Pero ko kanto.
Nagatang ko kanyak J ko lang. J yan na ganun J. I-basic lang nga Battle Pass. Nalala ka. Diba gamin J bundle kan J basic lang.
Enemy soldier incoming. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Come on.
Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
You're going to the war zone.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Tagging a bounty pass. Play that.
Ano dam? Ito yung train station? Yan di bounty.
Targets are up. Get to work. Bounty target has been marked. Kill them.
Ay, ano kalaban. Sarado dam.
Assault rifle marked.
Testing lang. Ada kalaban?
Pangit ng baril ko.
Tao.
Claymore established. UAV overhead.
Ada jing nga to.
Sige nga to.
Small caliber.
Uy. The second floor. Again. Hey! Ang inang yan.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment.
Napito na.
Iksalasing po.
Fight on. Your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is a well-placed start. We've got a proper fight here. You're up next, mate. Get ready. You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose,
MG.
you're done here. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Let's get to the safe zone.
Tangin na yan.
Sending you back to base.
Nanalo sa gulag ngayon ah.
Your team can still buy your release.
Tama gaya mo.
Does anyone need this? I'll drive. teammate has been designated as a high-value target. Guard them at all costs.
I'll drive.
Kalaban ah. Taray warada.
Damn.
Laban. Butong dansa. Ako man. Isbubasit.
Diba?
Kaumpay. Bayagan.
Kaumpay. Nabayag ka. Yung pinagbayad. 2-1. Di mo manay na yun ng DJ Labi mo.
Meday. Tenek. Ten.
Oo na. Kung bangayat mo kay Aya mo. Bangayat.
Yun. Ha? Ganun pa rin? Walang mangayat. Walang mangayat makiayam sa atin ah. Walang mangayat. Yang nga ko ah. Yang nga sa baling nga mode. Rebirth duos. Dama duos nga Rebirth eh.
Galing mo. 40. Awan, 100.
Altog.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch. Enemy soldiers coming. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe
Nakita mo. Okay. Tama. Titalangan sa'yo. Ah, sige. Titalangan.
Eliminate all targets in the AO. Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Naglagkan ka?
Ha?
Naglalaghan.
Dalag to. Sana makalukat si Bak.
Para shock. Naglalag eh. Hindi mo makajump.
Ano yun, nangamakotin.
Na-stuck. Uy. Nawala. Lost connection.
Error. Dun sa glitch na ate ah.
Okay lang ti. Ya? Ado pa lang ti kabag na.
Ay, naklausbok. Ning.
Kagta nagura eh, santo na disconnect lang. Game. Yung game. Pasok din. Kakalaro na din. So, oras ko dun sa ano. Hindi na nga lang natitirang oras eh.
Get yourself the proper warm-up. We'll be deployed soon. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
Now we do this for real.
Battle Royale. Is that a drop point for your team, soldier? Tagging a bounty contract. Gas closing in sight.
Ay.
Stand by.
Tata na.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Sighted on target. Alright, lads, let's get it done.
AT mine armed.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Tawag ko yung may isa. Oh!
I'm trash.
Decoy is live.
Only 25 remain.
Some ammo. Someone get that item.
One done.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Bala.
18 mine armed. Decoy is
Ay.
live. 18 mine armed.
Trophy system is live. All friendlies are in the safe zone.
Kurang pa eh. Ayun, balinan. Lalakate ko.
Enemy UAV over. Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Hey? Okay. Ay salama. Pero
Enemy UAV overhead. Friendly loadout drop on the way.
taon sa, di ba ba?
Enemy precision airstrike. Take cover. Gas is inbound.
Tao.
Marking new safe zone.
Nga to. Tuwa dito eh.
Explosive strike prime. Rest on your shoulders. Finish the mission.
Parang namatay ko.
Ako din ah. Sana.
Walang plate.
We're holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. Enemy dropping into the AO.
No, I was going for the.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Alright, that's enough fucking about. Now we do this for real. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh.
Battle Royale. That's our drop zone. Stand by to jump. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone. Targets are up. Get to work. Enemy soldier incoming. Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Engaging shooter.
Kalaban tayo left.
Hostile fire.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Kill.
Ay! Malagare. Lagare.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly. Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Oh.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Ano, bitin pa.
Eliminate all targets in the AO. Enemies dropping into the AO. There are 24 enemies still out there. Kill them all.
Throwing frag.
Hey?
25 remain.
Uy. Shout out, Beverage. Shout out. Chicken na ba, idol? Ka-chicken na ba, Lods? Resurgence lang kami. Nahirapan kaming makahanap ng kalaban sa ano, sa Battle Royale. Ang gustong lumaban sa amin eh. Sige lads, pag makakapaglaro bukas, sali ako sa private lobby. Last game ako, bossing.
Boss, sorry siya. Tumigos pa eh.
Maghahatid. Hatid ng commander. Madiming pasikot-sikot. Daming pasikot-sikot. Ano, bagong mapa ginagamit niya? Sa ano? Multiplayer?
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly.
Ay, ano to? Ay, Duos Battle Royale pala to.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Ay, wala na. Warzone.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Hey, you okay?
Salamat po sa like. Salamat po sa like, madam.
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Saan ba tayo? Tayo? Para salt mine. Para maalat. Para mas maalat.
Oh, dalawa sa tatlo. Tatlo sa right.
Dito, may kalaban dun.
Oh, tatlo.
Ay, nabitin. Ang inang yan.
Clear to engage all targets.
Makukuha mo?
Nasa baba na ako. Win-win, malak. Ay, natinagak.
Ipunin ko.
Malak ako.
Uy!
Target
Ako.
identified. Slot the bastard.
Diyan sila sa loob.
Snipe mo?
Isa pa. Oh, isa pa.
Ay, isa pa?
Dalawa yan. Ay, isa pa, isa. Lumipat. Nasa baba lang ah.
Tear gas out. Molotov going out.
Bago yan.
Uy, dito. Sa akin.
Marking airstrike.
Loading destroyed. Copy. Cluster strike away.
Kapatay mo? Nice. Inner strike ka pa eh. Malayo pala tayo sa circle ah. Gusto mo mag-red door?
Tara. Red dot.
Ay, glow dot tagayam langan. Ini.
Tagging by station.
Gas is moving.
Sayang yung pera natin.
Matakaw pa.
Baka matakaw pa. Baka matakaw pa ng sabali.
Mahold up.
Matakaw pa nila. Kakasi pa tayo dyan. Ayaw pa ang kakasi.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Friendly recon inbound.
UAV entering the
Ipang airstrike mo, boss.
That cash is ours.
Yagatangat.
Kung ano, airstrike, pwede.
Let's get to the safe zone.
We're out of time. Scrub the contract.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Red door. Talagang pinapapasok tayo sa red door yata. Gusto mo pumasok sa red door?
Saan?
Ito sa ano, third floor. Kunin ko lang tong box dito. Tara. Shoutout sa'yo, Mayor. Grand Santos. Dito, boss. Shoutout Grand Santos, idol. Advance UAV.
Advanced UAV marking target.
Ay. Guys, may tao dyan sana sa... Kunin mo yung airstrike, boss.
Establishing sentry turret.
Nasa open, nasa open. Okay. Down.
Ayun. Saan nang galing yung isa?
May kasama, may kasama. Nadown niya yung kasama niya. Heal niya. Airstrike mo, boss.
Dajilugan.
Be advised.
Wipe team wipe. Selfie-tan, boss. Kedok kwarta eh. Baanang, baanang. PUAV.
Friendly recon inbound.
Uy, meron, meron.
UAV entering the AO.
Airstrike mo.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Plate. Bilang ako plate. Airstrike lutan.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for...
Uy, ang enang yan. Dito na, pasugod, pasugod. Ay.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. Fight's kicking off. Get yourself sorted. You're up next.
Dag.
Win here and you return to the front line.
Uy, kutsilyo ang pucha.
Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Wow. Tangin na, paano yun?
Not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Tumakbo lang ako sa harapan niya eh. Boss, panagi tuludan. Iat tumanan ka.